Hey Money Magnets, another $50,000 loan with no docs. In this video, we're going to discuss how to get $50,000 with US Bank.
Said, wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Look, do you guys need more capital for your business so that you can do marketing or maybe hire some more employees? Look, I'm going to tell you about a surprise product they got with 0%.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And remember, we're trying to get you guys the bag, but you gotta be patient. This is not a quick process, but if you set up a relationship, it's gonna be awesome.
Now Marvin, let's jump over to the computer and show them some of the products that US Bank offer.
All right, let's do it, guys. All right, I wanted to throw a surprise in here for you guys. They have a US Bank Business Platinum card that has 0% APR for purchases and balance transfers for the first 18 billing cycles. That could be great for a business to transfer some debt. Now you're paying 0% for almost 18 months, guys. I don't want y'all to slip on this. Now I'm gonna get ready to get into the business loans and the business lines of credit. All right, if you guys want me to make a future video comparing the credit cards, put it in the comments below. Now let's talk about if you have issues with your personal credit, because primarily they're gonna look at your personal credit score to approve you. I wanna tell you guys about a secured business line of credit. Now, they'll use your business assets and offer you a line of credit up to $250,000 with lower rates, or you can put up cash and start a relationship even if you have bad credit. And look, I don't want you guys using bad credit as an excuse. We got an AI program in the description below that can help you raise your credit score. All right, whether you have good credit or bad credit, look, this is what they're going to ask for. You need to have your business and personal information ready, including your tax ID number, your gross annual sales information. And remember, with a secured loan or a secured line of credit, US Bank will file a UCC lien and must be the first lien position on all your business assets as collateral. But let's talk about this for a second. A UCC is not a bad thing. It just helps you develop a relationship with the bank, which is super important. And one other product they have is a secured quick loan. Once again, you can use the business assets as collateral, and they offer up to $250,000 in lower interest rates. I would only use a secured loan or a secured line of credit if I had issues with my personal credit or if my score was under 680. All right, let's get to the good part. Unsecured quick loan. So an unsecured business quick loan does not use collateral and offer loan amounts up to $50,000, but it may have higher interest rates. Remember, guys, the closer you get to $50,000, the higher your chance is they're going to ask for documents. So try to stay under $50,000, 47, 48 when you're asking for a loan. As long as you have a high credit score, you will normally get approved with no income documentation. Also, you can get a business line of credit in case you need to purchase materials, equipment, or inventory. They got competitive interest rates, and it could be an interest-only payment, which could be really low. And the advantages of having a line of credit is that you can pay it off, use it again. But I'm gonna tell you guys, just from what bankers tell me all the time, you're more likely to get a loan because the bank makes more money off the interest. And guess what? They're in business to make money. So, your chances are higher to get a loan than it is to get a line of credit. And remember, US Bank offers SBA loans, equipment financing, and practice financing. Comment below if you guys want me to make a future video about those types of financing or loans. Here are the 25 states that US Bank is located in. I would make sure that I started a relationship with the bank by opening up a business checking account. And remember, guys, the longer you have an account, the better the relationship is and the better your odds of getting approved. And guess what? You can start an application online, or you can contact the banker and go in and meet with them to get this process started.
Okay, now that Marvin have shared some of the products that US Bank offers, let's do a recap and let's dive deep into, what's going on in the banking industry.
Yeah, primarily now, let's go over the data points too, Glove. You usually got to have a 720 for the best results. You need to be in business at least 2 years. Now, primarily, they pull which bureau again, Glove?
They pull Equifax,
okay,
but sometimes, depending on which region you're in, they could pull TransUnion.
And remember, they're not in all 50 states. But remember what we told you in our past videos, you can foreign file where they do have branches, and now you can do business with them.
Marvin, now I'm finding that a lot of people are starting to foreign incorporate, and it's starting to become a lot more popular when we're talking about the funding.
And look, guys, I want to make sure you have your business set up properly in the beginning. You know, Gloria and I have a mentorship, and we go over all this, and we teach our mentees how to get the bag, but have relationships and get the bag. This requires planning and being strategic. And if you guys are interested in our mentorship, click the link below. We're going to give you guys a free business strategy call.
And Marvin, let me say this. When we're talking about the mentorship, y'all remember Marvin was saying that he's throwing rocks at no docks, you know, and I said that I was picking them up.
Right.
Well, let me say this. In the mentorship, that's one of the things that we do help you with.
Right.
We can start off with no doc relationships with banks.
To get started.
To get started.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you how to start to get your business in the position so that you can go to the bank and get more and more money, you know, because that's what it's about, having the money that you need for your business. And it's better for you to get money when you don't need it than to try to go look for money when you need it.
And if you can't use this video, share this video with a business owner who wants to get more capital, because that's what it's all about, helping the community raise more capital, because the number one reason that businesses go out of business is lack of capital.
And Marvin, you're 100% right.
Yeah.
If you've done business with U.S. Bank, or if you know someone who have done business with U.S. Bank, comment below, share with us, because our audience would love to hear your experience and what's going on.
And then look, remember, it's all about relationship. You know, start these relationships and nurture them. You don't always have to apply as soon as you open up a business checking account. The longer you have that relationship, the higher your chances for approval are.
Marvin, that's a great point. And it's all about getting yourself set up for financial success. You know, there's a planning stage that you need to go through versus just opening up accounts and going and get the bag. Think about which bank is going to work best for you and start putting together a strategy plan. And we can help you with that as well.
And look, if you guys want another $100,000 for your business, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.